Hi friends, thanks for stopping by. Hernan here, Simply NAS West Coast. Today we are talking about a very important topic. The topic is the maintenance of a NAS system. And we're not talking about the hard drive maintenance or the internal maintenance. No, we are actually talking about the external maintenance. Okay, the maintenance of the components itself, the maintenance of the chassis and all of its parts. Now, this has been sent in from one of our customers. Okay, this is an old TS-269. All right, oldie but goodie. But we are going to get it to work. As you can see here, it's had its use, right? It's been down for a long time. We're going to get it up for the customer. We're going to ensure them when they do receive it, it looks almost brand new. All right, so what we're going to do is, and if you can see here, very close here, you can see here all the dust particles, everything that's picked up, right? See all the dust, everything that's accumulated here in the fan as well. All this, what we're looking at here are skin cells, hair, clothing fibers, bacteria, dust mites, bits of dead bugs, soil particles, pollen, bits of tiny little microscopic metal and plastic. Now, keep in mind, some of this metal can even be magnetized and it's inside of your NAS system. So we're gonna get it out, all right? So be very careful as well. Now, we need to mention to you as well, when you're maintaining these, and again, if you're not a professional, don't try this by yourself, all right? We see a lot of YouTube videos out there, a lot of guys opening up their PCs, opening up their machines and working on them themselves, blowing on them, doing all kinds of stuff. Be very careful with that, okay? If this fan heads in the wrong direction, it will no longer work. If it exceeds its RPMs, it will no longer work. So be very careful, all right? Be careful with how you're cleaning the inside components, all right? I see a lot of guys using Q-tips. Now, what are the Q-tips made of? They're cotton Q-tips, and cotton is a big conductor of electricity, of static electricity. It gathers it from the air, as a matter of fact. Do not do that. Very careful. We don't do it here. We don't recommend it. All right, so be very careful about what you do watching YouTube out there and watching some videos. If you don't know what you're doing, pack it up, send it to us. We will get it ready for you. All right, we will examine it, we'll take it apart, and we'll clean it from top to bottom. Every component. That includes all the RAM, that includes the fan. We'll check out the CPU, everything. Everything will be cleaned out. And when you receive it, you'll notice that it's going to be spick and span. You can take the white glove test and you'll see that there is no more dust particles. Okay, it's going to look almost brand new. All right, so that's what we're going to do with this system. Now sit tight. I'm going to take this thing apart. We're going to run it through the whole process. It takes a couple hours to take this thing apart, clean it out thoroughly, and we're actually I'm going to try to get started. All right, so sit tight and we'll check in a couple hours. All right. All right, friends, it looks like we are done. All right, so what we've done is we've taken apart the QNAP NAS system and we've detailed and cleaned all of its internal components as well as all of its ports, the inside, the outside, and every crevice that this NAS system has. Now, we've gotten the system back up and running and it's ready to go. As you can see the light indicators here. So let's take a closer look at this NAS system so you guys can see what it looks like. Check this out. Here it is. This is the old 269 that was sent in to us. It looks brand new. As you can see, the HDD light is green. The landline is orange and blinking, which means there's connectivity. Now we can see the green light, which is flashing. That means that the drive is ready to be initialized and the system is good and ready to go. Let's take a look at the other side here. All right. And again, it's pristine inside and out. Every component has been removed and cleaned, as well as the back. All right, now in the back, what we have done is we've cleaned and sanitized every port inside. So we've gone all the way inside of each of these ports and cleaned them out, as well as cleaned out the ports from the inside as well, the inside component. The fan has been removed and has been thoroughly cleaned. The connectors to the fan on the motherboard have been cleaned as well. The ports have been cleaned inside and out. The HDMI has been cleaned out inside and out. You have to be careful when cleaning that you're actually not pushing in more of the debris, which makes the connection very bad, especially in the HDMI. Down here, as you can see, the USBs as well have been cleaned. The debris and the dust has been taken out of the system. Down here, each of the components, the power as well. The power has been cleaned, the power port, all right, and tested to make sure that we are getting sufficient power to run our system. Friends, feel free to contact us at sales@simplynas.com and we'll be happy to talk to you on how we can get your NAS looking brand new and running brand new. We can also get you on a maintenance schedule as well. Reach us at sales@simplynas.com and we'll be happy to talk to you about helping you maintain your desktop NAS or your rack mount NAS as well. And that can be Synology, or it can be QNAP, or it can be any other manufacturing NAS system. We'll be happy to help. Thank you very much. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, click that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.